How's it going, guys? Kelvin here with Kenwood, and on today's workshop, we're going to be taking a look at our exclusive features that we have with our partner Maestro. Let's take a look.
Now, in a continued partnership with iDataLink Maestro, we've got some really exciting new features that I haven't seen before out of any other receiver. When used in conjunction with an iDataLink Maestro RR2, it brings to light a new category inside of these receivers. If we tap our menu, we now have a new source such as the accessory control. When we select this, you have many different options that will appear here. But for this example, I've chose a garage door, an amp turn on, and a radar detector. Now let's say that you'd like to turn on or off any of these devices, which could also include external light bars, winches, LED accessories inside of the vehicle, and many, many more. It's truly up to you to decide with your creativity what you'd like to turn on and off directly from your Kenwood receiver. Now, like I mentioned with a garage door, if you pay attention to the garage door up in the corner of the screen, you can see when I press this, the garage door itself does begin to open. Personally, I'm a feature junkie, so I love this. When I pull up into my driveway now, I have the ability to open and close my garage door directly from my receiver. Now we've got another really great introduction in the iDataLink Maestro side of things as well, and that's the introduction of ADAS. Now with ADAS, it's something that you may have seen on our home screen. ADAS actually ties into your vehicle's protection or safety features and allows you to have those same features displayed directly on your home screen. Now you've seen this prior with maybe assisted parking or parking sensors. However, with the ADAS feature, it allows us to know and monitor whenever we're maybe departing out of our lane, or collision avoidance features if somebody's coming over on top of us in the lane that we're driving. A lot of those features have been narrowed down, allowing you to truly have all of it directly at the source of your receiver.
So there you have it, guys. Now keep in mind these advanced features are only available with our Kenwood units. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next workshop.